What did you say? That what? So who's gonna eat us again? The people are gonna eat us? So I'm people and you're human? So you're gonna eat us? We're gonna kill each other? Why? What makes you say that?
Because I'm a soothsayer and a psychic and you're always granddaughter. I say the thing most people say.
You're a psychic?
You say it?
So what's my future?
Definitely.
What's the future?
You guys gonna find out.
Are we gonna kill each other?
How are we gonna kill each other?
Punching. And killing knives and drugs.
Knives? I don't have a knife in my pocket.
Nothing.
Do you have a knife?
I have a knife, but to use it against you. Fuck you.
What happened?
Huh? You can save us?
How can you save us?
Give you a quarter and you save me? How about I give you a slap and I save you?
Stop. So how are you supposed to kill us with a quarter? I mean, how are you supposed to help us with
Do you
a
have a
quarter?
quarter?
I don't have a quarter.
How about if I give you $20? Can you save me?
So all of us are gonna die?
She's gonna die too.
So wait, but what makes us so bad though? What happened? We're bad people, man.
Why are we so bad people? Am I a people?
I thought I was a human.
I'm a person.
No, you're not human. You're people.
I'm a person.
A person is people.
No, a
So,
lot of persons together become people.
So just because you're a human means that we're not humans.
So you're humans, but I'm not human.
I'm very human
What makes you human?
because I have love, compassion.
I have love for her,
We have
affection for her.
No, you fuck around with everything. You're busy with it.
You said I have a pussy and a dick and I show it off?
That's how you know that?
Oh, shit.
What makes me so bad?
I have a pussy and a dick and I show
You
it
have
off.
no compassion and no sharing.
I don't. Fuck that.
So how about me though?
Fuck you.
Stop.
Motherfucker.
Stop. Alright, the train is here. Have a good day.
Bye, piece of shit.